YouTube? It's Boomatic back at it with another video. In this one, I'm doing some things to my 2500 Megacab Cummins diesel. I'm adding a CTS3 Edge Tuner. Also, I explained some of the issues I've been having with the truck. It's been a nice truck, but buying an older truck, you're going to have issues in replacing sensors and getting AC charged and getting things checked and maintenance. So keep that in mind. It's not pretty when you see these guys riding around in their 20-year-old diesel, you know, even though it's cool and it sounds good and it looks good, but so I'm just learning that part about owning an older diesel. It's not easy, but I love the truck. The good things you get good power, you get a reliable truck, and a tow workhorse. Like, if you're gonna work the truck, it's okay, go ahead and get the older one. But if you're just daily driving it like a city slicker, you know, like I'm doing, like trying to show off a little bit in your big old truck, like you're from the country, but you're not. But you know, I'm about to tow, so I'm about to work it a little bit. But I don't think I would recommend it. Just get yourself a nice little gas job, maybe even a newer gas job, you know, make your little payments and stuff like that. And I bet it will be cheaper than owning one of these things, because you're always touching something. And cam sensor, crankshaft sensors done. I fixed the oil leak, which I knew about, and it ended up being a crank on a crankcase sill, which is a big job. And then I was in there, so I was like, oh, I'll do some injectors. So injectors are almost $2,000 for rebuilt injectors, but these are a little bit of an upgrade, and they're from Injectors Direct. They're pretty awesome. You could automatically feel a difference even on the stock tune, and after you tune it, you get more of a benefit. So the truck is moving, it's rolling cold, all of that, and AC ice cold. And I still love the thing, but it is not pretty. It's not a walk in the park owning an older Cummins. So that's a warning for everybody. But I can't wait to get this thing towing. I got the tow brake controller now, and I got the 6-inch drop. And I'm excited. Next thing is to find a good trailer so I could tow my Nissan GTR and some other cars. I'll even tow the Bronco over there. You know, everything getting towed, man. I don't even care. I'm just gonna bring an extra car just in case, you know, because Cummins, you never know. It's an older Cummins and something might go wrong. I just hop in the car in the back and take off. But yeah, so please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell, because it doesn't count, because I'll just be a ghost on YouTube. You'll follow me and I'll be a ghost. You never see none of my videos. And you know, I need people to watch the videos so I could get up there. You know, I'm trying to be like a, I don't know what I'm trying to be like, something new. I'm trying to be a Boomatic Cars, but you know, with 1 million subscribers. So hit that notification bell, and thank you guys for watching. Guys, hey, so guys, this is an update on Big Red. I got a CTS3 tuner, and I found this used off of Facebook Market. So I got a pretty good deal on it. Normally they go for $6.95, but I got this for half that price, and I'm not sure what this is. Probably like a mount or something. Oh, here we go. Yeah, this is the mount. Okay, cool. So it came with a mount, came with the cable. So I didn't update it at all, but I'm just gonna plug it in and see what it does. Pretty sure it works like a Cobb. So we're gonna so that just plugs into your OBD2. That plugs in the back of your CTS3 Edge Tuner. So I just have it plugged in, and I have the car on the on position. So warning. Okay. I'm gonna try to do a tune on it. Make sure it's not mirrored because it is used. So if you buy these things used, make sure you ask if it's been uninstalled. Make sure you ask if it's been uninstalled, unmirrored from the vehicle. Because if it's married to the vehicle, it's locked to the VIN, and you will not be able to use it on your truck. So this is looking for updates, but I didn't even set it up for Wi-Fi, so it might give me an error. So I got it connected to my home Wi-Fi, which is pretty cool. So you don't need to plug it into your laptop like the old days to get the updates. So if you're at home or you have access to Wi-Fi, it should be able to pick up updates and new tunes and things like that. So we'll let this update and I'll check back with you guys. So we're gonna do a tune on it. Let's go to tune vehicle, and I'm gonna do a performance tune. So I'm gonna hit yes, continue. Backing up the PCM, all the factory settings and parameters. Would you like to install the tune as is, or would you like to customize the tune and modify adjustment? Oh, do it as is. Towing tune. Accept and install. Here we go. Right in the tune. So you hear it doing all sorts of funky stuff over here. I think I hear the fuel pump going. I mean turning on and off, not going. This might take a while. I'll be back with you guys. So the tune completed. So I guess we got all sorts of stuff here. Diag stuff, performance tests, different settings, easy settings. I don't think I'm gonna be touching none of that anytime soon. So I'm just running there. Tow tune, they had hot tunes and performance tunes, but I don't really want to push the truck too much, and I'm just gonna be towing. So this is for the gauges. So it has gauges. I guess I could change them around, but so a little bit of a rough first start, but that's pretty normal. Because it was, I think, I'm not sure why, but maybe because it was cycling the fuel pump. But other than that, sounds good now. Take a look at the exhaust. Idle seems good. Yeah, idle seems good. Maybe 1 PSI boost on that one. So I'll take it for a ride and see, tell you if I could feel the difference. I'm gonna let it run for a little bit. This truck is fast. Woo! Woo! That wasn't even flooring it. It woke up. Definitely woke up. I'm in like second gear right now. Just got half throttle, no quarter throttle, and no really room. Let's see what we got here. Oh, this thing is smoking. Smoke show. This thing going. Definitely was rolling some coal, boys. This thing moving. That Edge Tuner made a difference. And I was maybe 3/4 throttle. You know, I didn't want to full out floor it. I ain't trying to break it, but I just wanted to see the difference. The CTS3 tuner, definitely a huge difference. So I'm rolling about 80, and let's see if I give it some gas. Oh yeah, it's picking up. 90 like that. And I rolled cold again. This thing is definitely, I need to chill out. Definitely need to chill out in this thing. This truck moves. I get it. I get it, diesel guys. I get it. So just a lot of headache with these things. Especially if you got an older one. Just all the mechanics, man. I did a laundry list of stuff. I had to fix a front main seal leak and upgrade it to the 100 horse injectors from direct injection. And now I got the tuner on here. The Edge CTS3 tuner. You know, it's just a lot of maintenance stuff I had to take care of. Yeah, we'll see if I keep this thing or if I try to get something newer. Is this some of the issues just shaking me down? But it's an awesome truck. Like they're very powerful and very fast. So just, you know, the little issues I had to spend money on. The oil leak I knew about buying the truck, but did the injectors as a precaution, and I knew I wanted more power too. So I mean, I guess I can't chalk it up to that. Had to get the AC fixed. Did that, you know, ACs always cost money. So got that fixed. And just getting little stuff to tow. My tow hook, the trailer brake. So, you know, but we'll see, guys. So we just replaced the injection. So we just replaced the injection pressure regulator on the Big Red, the Cummins. I was having issues with it idling and shutting off. And if you come into like a stop or a slow speed, like the car will actually, the truck will actually stall out. And that looks like it was because this was bad. It goes on your injection pump. There's a sensor on your injection pump right over here. So I just had to replace it. It's three T25s. So you got 2 at the top, 1 at the bottom. Little pain to get to, that one in the corner over there. But basically that, I think that solved the problem. I'm gonna take it for a test drive, but normally when I had it idling, it would just like shut off, like the RPMs would dip and it will like shut off and stall. So I was doing that driving, which is sketchy, like if you're doing like a slow turn or at a light or coming to a stop. So that seemed to be the culprit. Before that, we thought it was my my cam sensor. So I got two, I got a cam sensor, crank sensor, and now I have the last piece is the injection pressure regulator. Just a little pain getting in there, but it seems to be working. I'm gonna fire it up. Just fired it up. I do have a check engine light, but that can be cleared. That's from when I was removing the injection pump and playing with it. So I got a bunch of codes here. Just let's see what I got. Oops. Gotta wait. Exit. So I just got codes for the fuel pressure too high and injection fuel pump control. Well, I have to turn off the truck to clear those. But it's idling fine. Nice decel. I think it's good to go. Sounds smooth. Glad to have it running. Next thing is to get the trailer, guys, and start towing. I got this thing here, and I got the trailer hitch and all that. So, all right, checking out. So just doing some driving now. It looks like the issue is fixed. So it looks like it was that pressure regulator or on the injection pump. So yeah, everything feels good, and I have the tow tune on, and this thing boogies.